All right. So we are going to proceed now to try to do the Cacti configuration. So currently, we've just from a manager, we've established that we can communicate to the agent via SNMP protocol. Now we want, so I think we were on question 47. So what do you get? You should answer that one, 48. If you get output, then your manager can talk to your agent. That's good. Notice that you specified a range of IPs that can connect to the agent, right? So that's the whole security mechanism, okay? You can try other ranges and discuss your results if you'd like. Now we're going to proceed on bullet 52 on the manager. We're going to go ahead and configure Cacti. So we're going to install it. So this requires, I believe, 2 installations. It should be sudo apt install Cacti, right? And then sudo install spine, as you can see here on bullet 6. So sudo apt install Cacti. Remember, that's on the manager. So you would type sudo apt install Cacti. Does that make sense? So this is the program. So hit enter, follow the information there. Questions about this part? Did you guys try that and it worked? If I run it, it'll say that I have it already. Yeah, I'm not hearing any questions. So let's move on. Sudo apt update, do sudo apt update first, and then sudo apt install Cacti. How about you guys over there? Were you able to install Cacti? How about you guys in the back row? Right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yes. Apt. Some of you with the more modern, it's just apt. Sudo apt. Either one. Sometimes for me it works with, but the newer ones I think sudo apt so is enough. Sudo apt and then install Cacti. Got it? All right. So yeah, so I have it already. Then there will be several pop-ups and you must define. I recommend using Tor for all passwords. Don't overcomplicate things. You just want to demo that this works. So type in Tor for all passwords or Ds, but just be consistent. Then it might say web server type, just say Apache 2, which as you guys know is a Linux web server. Say yes to configure database for Cacti with dbconfig dash common. Okay, right? Everyone good? Now install Cacti spine, which is another library that's needed. So just do sudo apt install Cacti spine. Sudo apt install Cacti spine. Oops. Cacti spine. Yes, that's right. You only do this on the manager because we're building like a website where we can see all of our managed devices. Yeah, so you only do it on the manager. Any questions? So did you guys try Cacti spine? Why? Yeah, if you have, the network issue might be a problem. So I already have it installed. But remember, if that network doesn't have internet access, you have to switch back the NAT and so on. So Tyler, did you get this bit to work? Yeah. Yeah, perfect. All right. So just confirming that the commands are going through on your new version of the VM. All right. Once you do that, so we'll talk about as we mentioned. So the whole point of this is to monitor, manage the devices. The following is a graph generated by Cacti of memory usage for your network device, right? So now we have to start like building up Cacti as a website. You log in with your password tour, etc. It's got an account and so on. So so it should be installed. So now we open a browser and type the following. So we want to type HTTP localhost Cacti and see what happens. Okay, so obviously on the manager, try that one. So we open a browser over here. Okay, and it doesn't matter that it doesn't have internet access. This is local host. HTTP localhost Cacti. All right, and you should get a little cactus looking website or maybe something more modern if you just downloaded it. Yes. Okay. And when you were prompted, it asked you some questions. Did you install Spine as well? How about the rest of you? Were you able to get to this screen? And then how did you get to this screen? Yeah. Guys over there in the back. Yeah, I mean, the problem is when you install it probably in the pop-ups, I'd have to look at it to see. Yeah, Apache 2, it's in the document, right? So in the document, it says, I recommend using Tour for All password, the web server type Apache 2, say yes to configure database for Cacti with db config comment. Did you guys select these? Okay. Right, say yes to configure database for Cacti. How about the rest of you? Any luck getting this website? Right. So you were able to get to this? Okay, so then so how did you do it? Did you the instructions, right? So my question to you, tour, right? You type tour for all passwords, then web server type Apache 2. Yeah. And pardon? That's fine. Whatever, just be consistent so you don't forget, because you do need to log in with it. Did you get something say yes to configure a database for Cacti with db config comment? Okay, so I'm sorry, what's your name? Dion, did you hear? So he did have that option. Yeah, so maybe try it again and hopefully you can always try sudo app remove Cacti and then sudo app install Cacti. Do you see what I'm saying? Pardon? Yeah, I would just follow the sequence, yeah. Before you remove, just try to do sudo app install Cacti. If it tells you that it's already there, maybe try to remove it and follow the menu again and see if that works. All right, so you guys take a second so that we can all